This is a guitar tutorial for Less Than Zero by The Weeknd. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to learn how to play this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the intro then. Hey, my name's Dave from Guitar.co. Now, I put up videos each week to do with song lessons, to do with tutorials, and to do with technique, things like fingerpicking, bar chords. If you're a player learning on the internet and you have problems with your playing in any area to do with anything, post a comment below. I reply to all questions. My mission with this channel is to help guitar players learn guitar as easily as possible. Let's get into the lesson. The intro I'll cover at the end since it is trickier. We're going to get straight into the verse. The basic chords in the verse are your C chord, an F major 7, which is coming from C. You'll move your ring finger down a string and your pinky underneath the ring finger. And I do have chords listed in the description below on how to find these again. So that's F major 7. You can wrap the thumb on the top if you're familiar with that, and if you aren't, that's okay too. So now, our strum goes down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. That is done twice on each chord. So we're going to play it for the C twice, then we go to F major 7 twice, and we repeat that. So I'll play it once. 1, 2, 3, 4. So C. There we go, then F major 7. C again. Then F major 7. Now we go to A minor next. Then E minor. Then finally G. I'm using my 4-finger G. That's your verse. So again, when it's sped up, it'll sound 1, 2, 3, 4. You just keep my strum nice and tight. Then A minor, E minor. Now, the G's at the end here, you'll notice I am using my 4-finger G. And I do have a cover video done of this so you can see it in action as well. You'll find that in the link below in the description. Now, there's a bit of a fill here at the end of the G's each time. It goes. Okay, if you like those fiddly sort of picking bits, it goes 0, 2 on the G string. Then you go 0, 1, 3 on the B. Then the same again on the E string. You could play that 4 times instead of strumming your G chords on the verse. Now, the chorus is the exact same chords. It's one of those catchy songs where the chords go around in a loop. One thing I will add into the chorus is the keyboard part, the... Okay, now, again, if you like those parts, to play that, you're going to get your ring finger on the 3rd fret of B, and you're going to play 3 of each of these notes. Then the 1st fret on B, and you'll do that again. And there'll be no gaps between them. So far we got this, 3, 4. Finally, then we end with 2 zeros and 2 1s. So altogether we get this, 3, 4. And you play that in a loop. That works with the chorus. So that's your... that's how it'll fit with the chords. Right, so that is the verse, the chorus. Now, I said I would show the intro as well. The intro I am going to do without a pick. You basically get your C chord and you're going to pick the bottom 3 strings here. Use your index, middle and ring for those, and use your thumb then for the top one. You do that first. Then, with that shape still on, you get your pinky and put it on the 3rd fret of B. And you're going to swap which ones you're going to pick with this hand then. So I begin with the C chord, put the pinky on, and I pick the A, the G, and the B strings, like that. Then what I do next is I keep the shape on, I pick the A string, the G string, and the lowest E string here. That's where the sort of difficulty can lie with this. You're going to be swapping the ones you'll be picking the whole time. So those 3 chords all together, you pick, then, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that last chord is just an F major 7. It's 0, 1, and 2. You can get your thumb on the top or put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D. And you basically pick the bottom 4 strings if you're doing that one, or just move the thumb up here if you're doing the one with the thumb. So the intro altogether goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, pick a time. Hammering. Now, if you want to keep up to date with the tab, I do have a handwritten tab here. I might have mentioned it already. If you want to grab it, and this and the other Weeknd tabs, they are down below, listed below this video. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next lesson.